Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an animated Instagram post for using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to Chrome browser, select your Chrome profile, and I should maximize it. Now in the URL box, type canva.com, or you can search it on Google to open the website. Now after opening the website, make sure you have to log in with your Gmail account. It's free. You can log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, then you can see this option, create a design option. Just click on here. Now in the search list, search titles, type animated, and you will see the option of animated Instagram post. As you can see here, click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you 100 types of free templates which you can use in your animated Instagram post. For example, you can see this. Just search for pet, PET, and make a search. Now these are all the cool and unique templates. For example, I want to create this one is my animated Instagram post, so I will show you how will it look like. Okay, now you can just change your text. For example, if you don't want to typesetting, and you can also change this text by pet festival. You can change the size of font by minimizing it, as well as you can change the text color by going this to A option and choose to white. Okay, this looks cool. Just change the color. You can change the text font as well by clicking on here, and your font will be changed. So guys, after making all the changes, you can change the picture as well. As just go to upload option and you can upload your picture, your pet's image. Now to download it, just click on share and go to download option and click on download, and your paid Instagram post will be downloaded in few seconds. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.